Uh, in all possibilities, after you have downloaded, you're looking at this particular dashboard, and uh, you're wondering what to do next. Where's the menu? Where are the other objects? So I'm just going to give you a quick overview as to where, how, and where you can get navigating in the in Elegant JPI. Okay, so if you have not, maybe I mean you can kind of click through the different demo dashboards. Uh, Once you open, click on the arrows which you can see on the left hand side, you will be able to see the repositories, which are the different objects which are stored in Elegant JBI. So if I open the same dashboard from inside the repository, you'll be able to see this uh, menu up here. Okay, so everything remains the same. This home button takes you back to the home. So which is in this particular case, this dashboard is the home dashboard. Okay, but the home dashboard is without the menu. So just one quick understanding that the home dashboard is something which has been configured, and that doesn't have the top menu available to the users. So yeah, so let's get back to the same dashboard with the menu and everything. So on the top you can see you the admin user. Okay, and when you drop down the item, you drop down the arrow from here, you can see that there are actions which you can do in terms of different uh, objects in the repository. You can start a new object, that is a cross tab or a tabular or a graph or a KPI. Okay, you can go into the publishing agent, you can build a data cube, you can edit your profile, you can do some administration. So just for the heck of it, I'm going to do a new cross tab. So here we can start with one of the known cubes for, say, like, if I can type the cube name, we can go comfortably with sales demo. Here we go. And based on this, you can uh, put in the city, you can put in uh, the gross sales, and say maybe you would like to put the date uh, or something else as the time, maybe month as the column, and we say okay, and you have your quick tabular analytics ready. But that said and done, we kind of go back, and we don't you can save this, or you can go back home here, and we basically go to the repository and open the dashboard which we were looking at. So if you go and start working on a new object, and you in all possibilities would be not looking at this particular object which is already here. But if you want to work on this, some of the objects which have been given in the demo, you can go maneuver around. If you go and click on the magnifying glass, which you can see usually on the top right hand side, it will open that particular object itself. And so if you've opened the object from the dashboard, you can click back and get to the same dashboard. But if you open a new object, you will not go back to the old dashboard, because it's created a new object completely. Now, some of the key things which I need to quickly or give you an idea about is the top menu. So first one is the settings. So the settings will have a PDF setup, page filters, managing tabs, which are these tabs here, and you can also get into design mode. So there is a tooltip which will be available. So if I click on the design mode, it's going to open the canvas, and from there you can kind of change the objects, or move back, or do whatever is there to change the objects, or you can get back to the dashboard. Okay, so that's in the settings. If you want to publish this as a PDF, you can do that. Uh, well, I mean, you can publish it and save this whole object, save a whole dashboard as a PDF. Uh, now, uh, this I here is for information about the object, so which gives you what is the name of the dashboard, where is it located in the repository, and who has created it and when it was last updated. This tab is for this button here is for global variables. Now, what is a global variable? A global variable is something which can be applied across the dashboard. So say, for example, if you want to pop up a box and say that, okay, please give me or the year for which you want to see the data for, then I mean, that can be a global variable which gets applied throughout the dashboard. In this particular case, there is none at the moment, so you won't get much. Uh, the next button is retrieval parameters. So by default, ElegantJ BI dashboards are loaded with full data from the cube. So to see dashboards with filtered views, you need to use this retrieval parameters. These are runtime parameters for analyzing dashboards. You can select retrieval parameters based on cube dimension. So at the moment there are none, so you won't be able to act. This is directly for an export. You can export to a JPG or a PDF, and here say I say okay, and it gets exported to a PDF file. I used the word cube while we were speaking, and I just want you to know a cube is an aggregated data, a set which is used in Elegant JBI across the application, across the platform. This is for the publisher. I'm not going to get into this right now. You can publish this. So based on the security settings, users are going to get these dashboards. So say, for example, if you have a user who's not permitted to see data on alcoholic drinks and you do a publishing, then the user will get this dashboard without the data of alcoholic drinks in it. Save and save as and restore and refresh. That's about it. These are the main items on the menu, and look around for the next video. We will try to make a dashboard. We will try to make these graphs, and we're going to work with a number of things. Thank you.